Hello everybody, welcome back to That Transformers Guy. Today we are going to be ranking Transformers Prime characters. So first off we got Skyquake. I think B sounds pretty good. Bumblebee, A, definitely. Ratchet, high A. Vehicon, B. Ultra Magnus, probably A, but definitely a lower A. That's how we do it. Alright. Sounds about good. Alright. Breakdown. I did kind of like him, but also really didn't. So I think she's would go in B, but I think he deserves to be higher than Vehicon. Or any of them. All three. Or all types. Whatever. This is Shockwave. Shockwave probably goes high B. Skyquake, or Dreadwing. Yeah. Ooh. This is the guy that clones Wheeljack. Think he's gonna go A. Insecticons. Knockout. Knockout definitely has to go pretty high. Ooh, Bulkhead. Bulkhead should go. Do we put him in ahead of Knockout? I think we do. Up Prime. Arachnid. She was good, but I just didn't really like her character a lot. Alright, Bombshell. I think Bombshell's ahead of Arachnid, personally. Predaking. High A. I would put him at S, but we're only going to be allowed to have 5 characters at S. He might be moved up later, but right now, no. And then the 2 other Predacons, I like them about the same, so I just put them together. Bro. Alright, here we go with the rest. Soundwave. I count Laserbeak with Soundwave. For anybody that's wondering, or curious, or I don't know. And then Starscream. While I'm moving Starscream up, guys, I just want to thank you all so much for all the love and support. I do really like it. And I thank you guys for it. And I want to get to 75 subscribers before Christmas. So, subscribe. Helps me out. And also, I haven't really been able to post many reviews like I normally do. Mainly because I don't really have any figures to do. I don't have any new figures anyway. I am thinking about starting a new, series of figures that I have, but maybe later. Alright, on to Megatron. He also goes high A, but we'll move him later. Wheeljack, B. Smokescreen, S. And I think we move Ratchet up to S too. Alright. I guess we have an extra Bulkhead and Bumblebee. RC. Same thing with Arachnid, but I definitely like her a lot more. I think we'll put her at high B. Then Cliff. We saw him for a very little amount. He was still cool, I guess. I feel like either 1 or 2 behind RC or NA. I think we go with the end of A. Let's move RC up a little bit. We'll put her behind Breakdown. I think we put VCon and then Dread. I don't really have a lot of connection with Dreadwing, so I'm fine with that. Yeah, I think that's good. This is the final one. I think it's quite good. We have Soundwave, Optimus, Smokescreen, Ratchet Green, Predaking, Knockout, Makeshift, Megatron, Ultra Magnus, Bumblebee, Bulkhead, Cliff Jumper, Shockwave, the 2 Predacons, Skyquake, RC, Wheeljack, Breakdown, any of these guys, the air ones, the mining one, all of them feel about the same. Dreadwing, Insecticons, Bombshell, Arachnid. Which I think Bombshell should probably be a little bit higher. Alright, this is the final list. Leave you guys the Soundwave. You will subscribe or else.